For this lesson, you will need your reader, your Unit 2 reader, and you're going to need to download a paper into Notability. So we are talking about classifying living things. And we've also been talking about text features, things like the table of contents, headings, charts, diagrams, pictures, and captions. What text features would you look for in your reader to help you define and classify living things? I might look for things like the words classifying in the heading or the title of a chapter. I might look to find bold words talking about living things. Why do you think authors include these text features, things like headings and captions and pictures? If you're thinking it's to help us understand what we're reading better, you're correct. Turn to the table of contents in your reader and locate the chapter called Classifying Living Things. Now, turn to the first page of that chapter. You should be on page 10 in your reader. You're going to skim, which means look over. You're not reading every word on those pages. You're going to look over pages 10 through 19. The dash means you're doing all those pages in between. So 10 through 19 using the text features. You're going to add information to your web that you learned about classifying living things from skimming the text using the text features. For example, when I turn to page 11, I look at the picture and I read the caption and I see that all living things are classified by their characteristics. So that's something that I could write down in one of my bubbles that I learned. On page 12, if I look at the text, I can see some bold words. So I could choose one of those bold words to write down as something that I learned from skimming these pages. Once you've skimmed pages 10 through 19, make sure you submit your assignment.